Hey everyone, it's Tyler from Job-Dox. I wanted to take a second and introduce the system to you and tell you a little bit about why you should use Job-Dox. So when you log in for the first time, you're going to see all of your projects in your current system. We've got ones that are lit up red. We've got ones that are lit up white. The red ones are behind schedule or have some other flag associated with them. In particular, this one here has chamber equipment mismatch. So the system is letting me know that I don't have enough equipment on site to make sure I'm getting paid appropriately for this job. So I'm leaving money on the table. The ones that are lit up white are deemed to be on schedule based on the predefined set list that you provide us when you come on board with us. So the way it works with Job-Dox is when you sign up to be a customer, as part of the onboarding process, what we do is build out a custom software flow just for you and your company. You tell us exactly how each of your project types work, from customer onboarding all the way through final invoicing, and we build out a system that assigns tasks to your staff members based on their role in your company and on each project to make sure things are never falling through the cracks. So across the top here, I've got some custom filters: water, fire, program, storm. Those are all customizable to you and have their own unique workflows. If I look here in the middle, I've got a social media style newsfeed. It lets me know what the most recent activity in all of my projects are across my company. You can see I'm adding credit card receipts here. I'm adding mark to tasks. I'm editing job information here as well. On the right-hand side here, I've got a task list. This is unique to me as a user. So every time your staff logs in, they're going to be able to see in real time, here's what I need to get accomplished today. So for me, I have to take care of this example task on the happy customer job. I can also see that I'm behind on a couple of tasks here. And then I've got some appointments coming up well. I've got a water heater investigation that's due today, and I've got a task for rough inspection on the Dr. House project later this week. If I open up this project here, I can see economical project job. It is in progress with my status down here, and my emergency services are in production. You can see I've got this news feed that is unique to this specific project as well. You can see I sent a text message out that I was on my way to a project. I can see when documents are getting added using our remote document signing tool. And I can see I've got particular notes on this project. I can see the staff members associated with it. I've got unique project dates generating here as well. So job start, authorization start, job complete, all the way through this coffee meeting here. All of those completely customizable to you. I've got a contact manager tab for you right here. So I can come in here and I could send a text message out. I could request a review for my services, request a signature on a document, send an email message out, whatever that looks like. I've got a task list that's unique to this particular project. I've got ES hours here. I can see some of these completed tasks that are part of that automated workflow that I was talking about. We've got full budget tools for you here. So we've got all budgets right here. I've got emergency services. I've got repairs. I could come in here and I could add an estimate to generate some line items to do costs against. I can generate invoices, both payable and receivable. I can do petty cash transactions, credit card transactions, vendor bids, payments, credit memos. We've got unlimited media storage for you here. We can pre-generate some albums. You can add a folder yourself. I could come in here, add photos, add videos, whatever you need to make sure you're documenting your jobs appropriately. Like I mentioned, we've got remote document signing features here. You can see I've got some built right here, including a drying report. We will build your custom documents right into our system so you can use the remote document signing feature. You can have guys get stuff signed in the field or send it ahead of time. I've got a full scope tool here so that we can generate all of our invoices. I've got a shift report tool so you can have your staff clock in and out using Job-Dox. You can eliminate some of those other tools that you need. If you're a restoration company, we've got a drying module built out for you. You can generate project reports. You can create estimates using this tool here. You can come over here. We've got some advanced search tools that give you kind of an idea of where we're at with invoices, estimates, expenses, and our margin across any type of project. And we've got a bunch of filters across the top here to help you generate that information. And then we've also got a dispatch panel here for you as well, so that you can keep track of where all of your projects are in relation to your staff members, who you can see in real time. One final note, I wanted to point out we've got some advanced reporting tools for you here. We've got a WIP tool, a revenue tool. You can keep track of your referrals really quickly so that you can see all that information in real time. So I've got a couple here. And then I've got a financial tool manager here for you as well, so that you can keep track of all of the money coming in and out of your business. That's a little bit about how Job-Dox works and how we can help you grow your company. Click the link below, schedule a demo with us. Let's talk a little bit more in depth.